The big news at the 2018 LA Auto Show was the Audi e-tron GT concept. So here are 5 cool things about it. I don't know if you noticed, but the Audi e-tron GT looks a little bit similar to the Porsche Taycan. Well, that's because they're both based on the same chassis. Most electric cars don't have functioning grills or air intakes at the front because they typically don't need them, but the e-tron GT does for advanced battery cooling technologies. Thanks to the use of synthetic leathers and recycled materials, the entire interior of the Audi e-tron GT concept is actually vegan-friendly. The Audi e-tron GT's dual electric motors combine to make 590 horsepower, allowing it to get from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Audi claims the e-tron GT has a total range of 248 miles, which is pretty good, but not only that, it's supposed to have 800-volt charging capability, along with its Porsche Taycan sibling. Now, while 800-volt charging isn't actually available to the market just yet, it's nice to know that when it does come out, the car will be capable. So those are 5 cool facts about the Audi e-tron GT concept. It's one of the most exciting and impressive electric cars we've ever seen. And if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel. This way, you can watch all of our videos, and if you click the little bell icon, you can get notified anytime we post a new one. And if you want to see more on the Audi e-tron GT, please visit our website at the link below.